Sci-fi Block? What is that? If you're like me and your Sci-fi Block arrived 2 weeks later than you normally get it, you might understand why I don't recognize what this thing is. Well, you know, I did send them an email after it was a week late, and they said, if it's not here by August something, then get back to us. They didn't seem very concerned. Anyway, let's open it up and see what's inside. I actually have no idea what's in this one, so let's look. Okay. And it looks pretty sparse actually from the get-go. We have a $10 credit for Shirt Punch. There's a t-shirt. Shoot first, it says, and there's Han Solo's blaster there. Next we have a pin, and it is a NASA pin. That's actually pretty cool. Huh. Next we have a book, The Wit and Wisdom of Star Trek, by Rob Perlman, who spells his name Rob, R-O-B-B, just like I spell mine. Cool. I will have to read this. Next we have, it is Aliens Motion Picture Score Series. Oh, is this like a record? An actual record? If we can get it open, we can find out, can't we? And it is, in fact, a record. Look at that. I don't even know if my turntable still works, but I will have to pop this on and find out. Okay, and next, which actually looks like it's last, Ghostbusters. Peter Venkman's uniform apron. One size fits all. I don't think I'm gonna open this. I mean, that's cool, but I never cook, and that actually may make a good gift for somebody, so I think I will just keep that in its packaging. Oh, we have one more thing. It's a HelloFresh card. Okay, we've got our cards here. We have the exclusive Alien vinyl record, and apparently we could have gotten the limited edition green chase variant. We didn't know. Then we have the exclusive Shoot First t-shirt, the Ghostbusters Peter Venkman uniform apron, the Wit and Wisdom of Star Trek book, and the exclusive NASA Apollo 11 lapel pin. That's a really cool pin. I really like that. Okay, so next month there is one exclusive item, and Sci-Fi Block is bringing you a lightning fast item from Lost in Space. And anybody who knows me knows I was a huge Lost in Space fan back in the day. So I'm looking forward to that. Then it also says, engage your hyperdrive to receive items from Futurama and Doctor Who and more. That seems like it's a pretty sparse crate to me, but there were actually a lot of good items in it. The t-shirt's cool. The apron, like I say, is very cool, but I just don't think I'm going to use it, so I'm going to probably give it away. The record, that's neat. I mean, it's very unique. You never see LPs anymore, so that's cool. And of course, my battery just died about 2 seconds before I'm done with the video. I think the book's cool, so I'll be reading that. And like I say, I really like the NASA pin. So, all in all, it's a pretty good crate. Took long enough to get here, but at least it was all pretty good items. So, that's it for this month's crate. Hopefully we will get our next one at its usual time instead of a month from now. We will see. See you guys later.